A rectangular piece of cardboard is twice as long as it is wide. A 4 centimeter square is cut out of each corner, and the sides are turned up to make a box with an open top. The volume of the box is 616 cubic centimeters. Find the original dimensions of the cardboard. The cardboard is shown here with the length twice as long as the width and corners of 4 centimeter squares cut out of each side. Then the sides are folded up to make the open box. The volume of the box will be 616 cubic centimeters. We'll begin by familiarizing ourselves with the situation. We have a rectangle here that we're going to form the box from. Each of these sides that's cut out is 4 centimeters. Since the length is twice the width, we'll let the width be x, and then the length would be 2x. To translate, we want to think of the box as it's folded up to make the open box, because we're looking at volume. The volume would be length times width times height. Well, the length of the box, this will be the bottom of the box right here. The length of the box would be 2x minus the corners that are cut out. So that would give you 2x minus 8. The width of the bottom of the box will be right here. That will be x minus the corners that are cut out, which would be x minus 8. The height of the box is going to be this right here as it's folded up, which is the 4 centimeters. So we've translated the volume of the box to a formula, and we're given the volume, so we can make that 616 equals 2x minus 8 times x minus 8 times 4. Now to solve this, we're going to want to multiply this out. We have kind of large numbers here. I can divide both sides by 4, so I'm starting working with a little bit smaller numbers. And that gives me 154 equals 2x minus 8 times x minus 8. Now I multiply through here. I have 154 equals 2x squared minus 16x minus 8x gives me minus 24x plus 64. And I want to get a 0 on both sides, so I subtract 154 from both sides, and I get 0 equals 2x squared minus 24x minus 90. To factor this, first of all, see I have a common factor of 2, so factor out the factor of 2, and I have x squared minus 12x minus 45. And finally, I factor the trinomial as x minus 15 times x plus 3. I can set this factor 2 equal to 0, but 2 never equals 0, so there's no solution here. Then I have x minus 15 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0. Solving, I have x equals 15, or x equals negative 3. Since we're dealing with the dimensions of a box, negative 3 will not work, so I have 15. Now 15 was the width, so I have a possible width of 15 centimeters, and the length was twice that, so I have a possible length of 30 centimeters. So let's check. We can check now our answer of a sheet that's 15 centimeters by 30 centimeters. If I cut out two 4-inch squares, I'm actually removing 8 centimeters from that, so I have then a width of 7 centimeters. If I cut out two 4-inch squares here, I'm cutting out 8 centimeters, so I have a length of 22 centimeters. And then I would have a height of 4 centimeters. Multiplying this out, that gives me a volume of 616 cubic centimeters. So this does check. we would state that the length is 30 centimeters and the width is 15 centimeters.